Hi, I'm Raphael Perrier from Kawa Coffee Roasting, and I'm going to talk to you about how to use a French press coffee maker. These are French press coffee makers. You have different style, different size according to what you want to do. The first thing you want to have is a very coarse coffee. Your French press needs the coarser grind you can find out of a grinder. It could be a home grinder, a commercial grinder. If you buy your coffee into a coffee shop, have them grind it very, very coarse. The step is very simple. Usually the French press comes in with a little spoon like this. It's made to measure your coffee, obviously. So what you do is you take your coffee, you go inside. What I do is I usually put about 3/4 of an ounce for 12 ounces of French press. So that's right here, 3/4 of an ounce. That's the coffee you're going to have. Then you take your coffee pot, you go right here and get some hot water. It can be boiling water, it can be very hot water, up to you. Fill it up to about right here. Something you should always do is grab a spoon and stir your coffee to mix it very, very well. Once your coffee is mixed very, very well, just like this, you let it sit. Usually it sits for about 3 to 4 minutes to get a very good extraction on the coffee. You want the water and the coffee grinds to actually mix together and absorb all the caffeine from it. So after 3-4 minutes, you got your French press on top of it. Slowly, you go down and press your coffee all the way to the bottom. Sometimes it's going to be a bit hard, but it's okay. Don't worry. Just don't try to press too hard, but bring it down all the way. When it's all the way to the bottom, your coffee is actually made right here. If you have a very good coffee, a good sign for coffee is when you still have some crema on top of your French press right here. The French press is a very good alternative when you don't have an espresso machine and you don't want to drip coffee. It's, to my taste, one of the best way to drink a coffee and appreciate all the flavor of your coffee. I'm Raphael Perrier from Kawa Coffee Roasting, and I was talking to you about how to use a French press coffee maker.